What is up? It's your boy Aing here, bringing to you guys a brand new freaking video, man. So look, listen, today I got an informative one for you. It seems like I've been making more and more informative videos on my YouTube channel recently, which is kind of weird for me because I usually don't know nothing about anything. But all the past videos that I've been making about the snow, driving the truck in the snow, how much I love the snow, changed very, very fast when I had to wash my truck. So today we're gonna be talking about what I think you can do to prevent bad things that come with snow. With that being said, let's get right into today's video. If you're at all interested in this video, helps you out at all, please leave a like, a comment, and a subscription, because I don't know. So this is what we're working with. It's a 2020 Toyota Tacoma beastie truck. Okay, I love it. Absolutely beautiful. Rocking a 2-inch lift, 285 70 17s. This thing looks absolutely ferocious and beast-like. So if you don't know, recently I made a couple videos on my Tacoma talking about taking in the snow. As you can tell, I've cleaned her up a bit, but in Northern Virginia, there's wet spots and they think we need like 40 pounds of salt per square inch on the road. There's a little bit of salt still going on. As you can tell, I cleaned up as much as I can. And if you're looking at it at a naked eye, you think, okay, everything looks nice and dandy. Aang, what are you talking about? What are you complaining about? Let me show you. This may be an issue only if you get wider tires. You see all this stuff comes up, right? There's more goo. There's a lot more trash than on stock tires, because on stock tires, it's not kicking it up. Let me give you guys a little bit of backstory. I took my truck out and I was off-roading, kind of, sort of, on some back roads, just getting really dirty. Now, I don't think that was the issue per se. I think how much I drove it on the roads where there was a lot of salt was the issue. If you can see, my tire is spitting dirt from there up to there. From there up to there. Aang, what are you talking about? There's a problem. And I didn't even think about this problem. And there's a solution to the problem, but I'm not sure I want to do it. So what is the problem? All of this stuff is getting kicked up and it's flying backwards. Sometimes hitting my door handle, and it's kind of awkward when I grab it and there's mud. Kind of annoying, but the main issue is right here. Some of the salt and stuff is getting caught right here. And I don't know if you guys can see that, but there's orange spots all over my truck now. My truck is legit ruined. And I try to take it off, like I'm fighting for my life, and nothing happens. It does not come off. This Tacoma badge caused me to have that issue because it's nowhere else on the truck, but it's because nowhere else on the truck was it getting caught and stuck there. That's just my assumption. So literally something that I never realized, something I never understood or would have even thought about. So one thing that I could suggest, if you're trying to keep your truck looking as nice and dandy as you would intend, remove that badge, as it's going to cause some serious issues. Or wash your truck, I mean, like right after you leave your driveway. Like, get off the driveway and then get back in and wash it. That's the only way. Another option that you can do to protect this beautiful paint of yours, quicksand, is probably get a wrap. I was gonna wrap this truck, and Sandy had been telling me to get the wrap, and I didn't get the wrap, and now I have to deal with the consequences. The wrap can be pretty pricey at around like $5,000. That's what someone quoted me here. But there is this thing called GOAT Armor, G-O-A-T. I think it's called Go Off-Road. I forget what the Go Off-Road T. I forget what the T is, but yeah, that's that. So just for the paint, what I would recommend is wash your truck immediately. Make sure that if you have bigger tires, it's not getting caught anywhere. Like said problem there on the Tacoma badge, make sure you clean it off right away. I'm very hopeful that I can clean it again. I haven't gone through and did like a deep clean. That's just for your paint, the outside of your truck. Now let's look underneath and kind of inside the truck. I cleaned this truck. It really took me like an hour to clean this truck. There's still salt all in the truck. I mean, it is horrible how much salt is in this thing. And it goes even worse underneath. Like salt all right there, all up in here. Jeez Louise. I don't know what to do. Like, I washed it and it seems like more and more salt just comes out. So what can you do to take care of the underneath of your truck? I think undercoating is the right way to go if you get it done by someone who undercoats vehicles on a daily basis, not some random, you know, Firestone on the side of the road, because this is no joke. Like, I think my truck will be fine. I'm gonna wash it again here soon and hope that more of it goes away, but I'm not sure if all of it will go away. Another thing that I could recommend is if it snows out, just stay inside. It's not worth it. Just watch my videos. I did enough, you know, going out and driving in the snow for you. Just stay home, watch some Aing videos, because in reality, I think there's nothing you can do other than obviously undercoating it. There's nothing you can do to take care of these trucks against the salt. So yeah, I just wanted to share that with you guys. I honestly feel like I kind of messed up here, where I literally used my truck for like 3 days in the snow and the salt and let it sit for another day and then washed it. And well, yeah, it kind of sucks. It's something that's very minor, but there's a lot of minor things that bother me about the truck now, and it's just starting to pile up. I'm sure I can get it taken care of if I go to like some professional detailer, which I'm gonna reach out to a guy who I know, maybe he can help me out with that. But let me know if you guys experienced anything else when we got this snow. A lot of people did if you were on the East Coast. So I'm very interested in what you have to say, and if you live somewhere where it snows a lot and you know about that paint issue and it's like a common issue and I can get rid of it no problemo, please let me know down below. You'll save me a lot of heartache and I'd be, you know, much appreciated. So with that being said, let me know if you guys have any crazy snow experience, any crazy snow stories that kind of affected your car, and if you live somewhere where it's like long-term snow, how bad is the frame rusting on a Tacoma in reality? I know the second gens had a problem, but what about the third gens? With that being said, it's been your boy. I'm out of like an Audi. I'll see you tomorrow. Peace.